Hello P4 students! Welcome again to our science class. We are now on Unit 3, Lesson B. In what ways are animals suited or adapted to their environments? This is the first part of our video lesson. So are you ready? Let's get started! Our learning outcome is to recognize the ways animals are suited or adapted to the environment in which they live. For our vocabulary, we have the following words: environment, characteristics, suited, adapted, adaptations. Take your time to check their meanings and write your answers in your science notebook. To start, we have here two pictures of two pairs of animal feet. Which pair belongs to a duck? Which pair belongs to an eagle? Why do you think so? Ducks live near or on water. That webbed feet help them paddle in water. Eagles have sharp claws on their feet to catch animal for food. A duck's webbed feet and an eagle's sharp claws are characteristics that help animals survive in their habitats. Different habitats have different environments. The environment of a habitat is made up of the living things in the habitat as well as physical conditions. These include air, water, temperature, light, and soil. Animals have characteristics that help them survive in their habitats. The animals are suited or adapted to the environment of their habitats. The characteristics that help an animal survive in its habitat are called adaptations. In what ways are camels adapted to live in deserts? Camels live in hot and sandy deserts. There is very little water and food. In what ways is a camel adapted to the environment in the desert? Let's try to find out. Its hump stores fats that can be changed into energy. This helps it survive for months without food. It has thick, bushy eyebrows and double rows of eyelashes. They protect its eyes against sunlight and blowing sand. Its nostrils can be closed to block out blowing sand. Its large, padded feet prevent it from sinking into the soft sand. When camels find water in the desert, they would drink a lot of water at one time. They can survive on that amount of water for weeks. Camels perspire very little, so they do not lose water from their bodies too quickly. In what ways are polar bears adapted to live in the Arctic? Polar bears live in the Arctic that is very cold. Snow covers the ground and water is usually trapped under ice. In what ways is a polar bear adapted to the environment in the Arctic? Its fur appears white and blends in with snow and ice. Thus, it cannot be seen easily by hunters or the animals it hunts. It has a thick layer of fat under the skin and thick fur to keep its body warm. Its nostrils can be closed to keep the water out when it swims underwater to hunt. Its sharp claws help it to catch other animals for food. Its large, wide feet prevent it from sinking into the soft snow. And that ends our part 1 of this video lesson. Thanks for watching, children. Be ready and be on time for our Zoom meeting tomorrow. Stay safe and healthy always, P4. Bye-bye and God bless everyone.